Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return. First, gather all your essential financial documents, including W-2 forms, interest statements, and records of any other income. Next, determine your correct filing status, whether you are single, married, filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, decide if you will file electronically, which is often faster, or submit a paper return by mail. Now let's focus on the details. You must report all income sources, from your regular wages to any interest or dividends received. Then, explore available deductions and credits, which can significantly lower your tax liability. Common examples include student loan interest or certain educational expenses. Remember to keep meticulous records for at least 3 years. This is crucial for any future inquiries. Before submitting, a thorough review is absolutely essential. Double-check every number and ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays or issues. Once you are confident, sign and date your return. If filing electronically, follow the prompts for digital signatures. Always keep a complete copy of your submitted return and all supporting documents for your personal records, ideally for several years. After you've filed, you can track your refund or confirm your payment through the official government website. Be sure to respond quickly to any letters or requests for more information from the tax authority. Ignoring them can lead to penalties. If you have income not subject to withholding, like from self-employment, consider making estimated tax payments throughout the year to avoid a large tax bill later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.